Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're gonna cook one of my favorite meals, something very simple but still really good. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make 된장찌개, but not just an original 된장찌개. We're gonna add some Chadol on top, so it's Chadol 된장찌개. Chadol, for those of you guys who don't know what it is very thinly sliced beef brisket. Really good. It has a good amount of fat, very tender, and it's one of my favorite cuts of meat. And we're also gonna accompany it with an egg omelet or 계란말이. We've made this on our channel before, but I love the pairing of these two, and I did get a new square 계란말이 pan, so I wanted to showcase that as well. Let's go and check out these ingredients. So let's start off by making some rice. And if you guys watch our channel, you guys know I always use a whisk to clean the rice. We'll just make some stovetop rice because it is the best. We'll have that cooking while we work on our 된장찌개. Let's cut up our veggies. And with the zucchinis, I'll select these thin slices, but also this shape. So with these onions, I like them a little smaller like this, and I like them in the cube shapes, but obviously you guys can cut them up into whichever shapes you guys like. So this is a pepper from my backyard, and it's really small, but we don't want to make it too spicy, so I thought this would be perfect. Let's see how spicy this is. And red chili is optional, but I thought it would look better, so I decided to just pick some up as well. I'm cutting up some extra green onions for our egg omelet later. Tofu, we'll slice them up into small square pieces. With the carrots, let's go ahead and mince this all up into small pieces so that the eggs look colorful and festive. So we will use a 뚝배기 today, and this is what a 뚝배기 is. It really retains the heat. And Koreans make jigaes in this. If you guys don't have it, then you can use just a regular pot. When it comes to picking out soybean paste, it gets a little tricky. Some taste better than others. I've been using this, and it's really good. So it has everything in it. You don't have to make an anchovy base or a radish base. You just have to add this to water, and it's really good. Grace has also been liking this. So I'm just going to mix the two. I'll just do 3 tablespoons of this and 3 tablespoons of this. If we have one of these, let's use it. It's not necessary because eventually the paste will dissolve in the soup, but it just makes the process a little faster. Let's let this come to a boil. My tip is to add in a little bit of gochujang. It spices it up, but it really ties the flavors together. When it comes to adding in vegetables, I don't like to add in all the vegetables at once. I like to add it in the order of onions, tofu, and then zucchini. So we're gonna actually move this towards the back, and we'll work on our eggs. Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 찌개, which means stew. Koreans really like to eat jigaes, whether it's summertime, springtime, wintertime, fall time, jigaes all year round. And my favorite is 된장찌개, what we are making today. Grace's is kimchi-jjigae, but we also like sundubu-jjigae, we like pretty much every jjigae out there. Growing up, we did eat a lot of stews, but we also had a lot of soups as well. And I feel like soups have less sodium. They taste a little healthier, but I feel like it's more of a breakfast item. And jjigaes are for dinner, something more heartier and tastier. So today's word of the day is jjigae, which means stew. We'll add in our tofu. Let's crack in 6 eggs. And I'll add in about a 4th teaspoon of salt. Now let's add in our cut green onions and carrots. Mix this all together. With egg omelets, I heard that you have to sprinkle some olive oil and use a paper towel and make every surface coated. So we'll put a small layer and keep this on a low heat at all times. Okay, and then you roll and you continue to add as you go. So you're gonna fold it like so, and fold it again and again. And it's okay if the insides don't look as pretty because they're all gonna be folded anyways. So add more oil. Add in our chadol. Green onions. Sprinkle some Korean red pepper flakes. All right, let's eat. You and always trying to do this.
I got it.
Good job. Oh, we're trying different things. How's the 계란말이?
Really fun.
So this is what I used to do. I would always make 된장찌개 like this. Add some gochujang, mix it, and add it in some perilla leaves and lettuce. But I'll just do perilla right now.
I'm gonna put kimchi on mine. How is it?
So good. How's the 된장찌개?
Really good. I don't normally... Yeah, it's good. I like that you can feel all the layers. Oh, I'm actually doing really well today.
Good job. It's good, right? With the... Chadol's so good.
Very good.
So a lot of Korean people do add potatoes in here too, or sometimes radish, but I kind of like it with just how I made it today. So I told you guys like my favorite recipe of 된장찌개. This is it. All right, so that's a wrap. I hope you guys liked today's video and make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you guys on our next video.